I'm gonna show you how to check and see if a domain is available. You go to this website, www.whois.com, and there on the home page you could type in the website that you would like. Say we're gonna type welding and stuff, and I'm gonna hit search. And once I type the welding and stuff, it's showing you all these things down there that is available. But I was looking for the .com. You notice that it's not available. But you have this .org and .everything else. So I'm gonna just go up here and type weldingandstuff.net. That's my website. And you're gonna notice while it's running, it's gonna show not available because I own that website. So you can click on Who Is, and you notice that it gives you all the information you need. It gives you an email address, contact number, and all that information. Say for instance, if you want to purchase a domain name from somebody, you can just go and to Who Is, and it gives you all this information. You can send that person an email or that company an email. So I'm gonna just click on the home again, and I'm gonna type whylikethis.com, and I'm gonna search. And a lot of these .coms are taken. You notice that that one is taken, but you got the .net and .online. And if you want to purchase one of those, you just select it and it puts it in the inbox. But I'm gonna click on Who Is. And like I said, it'll give you all the information on the ownership and how you can contact this particular company or person. And that's how you can go and check the availability if you want to contact somebody. I'm gonna just go through a few of these tabs: website, the hosting, and they can build websites for you, and emails, and you want to support, you click on that. And you can chat with them or send them an email. And that's really all to it if you want to find out a domain name. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.